WizArtist.
Hello creative fellows! Welcome to my channel WizArtist. Today I'm going to teach you how to make photo frame. Look at this photo frame. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this photo frame. It is made out of only 5 ice cream sticks and is very easy and simple. Let us see how it is made. The materials for this ice cream stick photo frame are 5 ice cream sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Glue. Pen or pencil. Scissors. Ruler. Cardstock. And felt tip pens. First of all, we will need to take 4 ice cream sticks. The rest 1 ice cream stick will be needed later. Let's take glue too. First, keep 2 ice cream sticks parallel to each other. Now, remember that each ice cream stick should be above ice cream stick at one end and below another ice cream stick at other end. Let us see how it is done. So here, this ice cream stick is above this one here, so it will be below here. Now, let us do the same with this. So here, this ice cream stick is above this one here, so it will be below this one. And here, it will be below because it is above here. Now, let us glue the edges together. Let it dry. Till then, we will cut the cardstock. So let us take the cardstock, pen and ruler. Let us take the measurement of the inner side of the photo frame with the help of ruler. Now, according to your measurements, cut it out. Draw an outline. Take care that you draw the outline a little extra so the sticking of the cardstock will be easier. Let's cut it. Look. Now we will stick it to our ice cream stick photo frame. Let us put glue on all the sides. Be careful that the above part is open because you need some place to put your photograph in. Stick it. You can see. Let it dry. Meanwhile, we can use the last one ice cream stick. You have to break it into half. So, I have took the measurements, divided into half and made a line as you can see. Now you have to break it. Look, I have broken them into half. Now, you have to stick the circular, semicircular edges together. And remember, you have to stick them in such a way that these edges can be stuck onto them. So, the angle has to be just right, remember. Let us stick. Take care that the angle is right. Look. I'll just show you. Look. Now you have to let it dry. Now, turn your photo frame upside down. And now, find where is the right side, where this side is open. Now, you have to stick this hanging there. After it has dried, we can draw different designs with the help of felt tip pens. You can have an idea by this photo frame. Let us draw. We can draw several patterns at different places. Look, like this, with the help of felt tip pens, you can decorate your photo frame. Now, you have a pocket here through which you can put your photos. Aren't these photo frames beautiful and awesome? If you like them, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Also comment, how was your photo frame and did you like it or not? Thank you. Bye bye.